glacier, mountains of course, the local swimming hole.
All spring water. Springs feed it.
Here comes a plane. A lot of stuff comes in here on planes.
You got your own little airport over there.
All right, y'all. Got a payphone in town. Let's see, what does that say?
People love that stuff.
That's awesome. And there's your phone book right there. We parked the truck behind us in a parking lot for $5. We're walking to McCarthy from here. If you want to drive across, you'll have to buy a permit for $300. We're walking to McCarthy. It's all good. We like our exercise. Yeah, we need to walk. The community church. How about that? That's a cute little church. Stop, look for aircraft. This is their landing strip, right?
Yep, for the town of McCarthy.
Another bridge, y'all. Another bridge. Is that caterpillars or cottonwood trees? I have no idea. If y'all need a potty on your walk to McCarthy, there you go. Bobby says they're clean and they have toilet paper. Well, y'all, this is environmentally sensitive area. It's community drinking water. Please, no bathing, washing, keep the dogs on the leash. Look how clean that water is. It comes from a spring back up there. If I had me a cup, I'd get me some. Sure enough, nice and cold. Woo! Spring water is the best. Look at it, perking up. Perking up out of the ground, right on the road. They say we're almost there. We keep stopping and seeing stuff. So here we go. We're almost there. Here's a shortcut, y'all. McCarthy Town Center, Lodge, General Store, Golden Saloon, Salmon and Bear Restaurant, Mountain Arts Nugget Liquors, and Ma Johnson's Hotel, Lancaster's Hotel. Wow, there's a lot more here than I thought there would be. All right, we'll just walk the regular path. You think? We didn't take that path because it was a wet, running stream. All muddy. That's their museum right there.
Her cousin, who's like 13, almost 14, I think.
That's the famous potato.
There's our sun. Active place today. Well, it's sunny. The planes are out. The 4x4s are out. People are on vacation. Place is hopping.
Nice view of the mountain back there. Almost all the snow is melted off of that.
From downtown McCarthy.
Yeah. Robert Cashins used to sell
We
what?
used to sell those big peanut oil cans or vegetable oil cans.
Oh yeah, right there, y'all.
They were like 3 gallons or something. Some of them, they had some big ones that were 5 gallons. Yeah, look at the artwork in the fence. Isn't that cool?
That's really cool.
It's just made from local,
Leftover stuff.
Yeah, leftover stuff. That's as cool as I'll get out. I like that.
And the mountain in the background. How about that?
Oh man. Back behind here is a bunch of big springs that come up. This whole area over here is covered in springs. Just shooting up from the ground. It's amazing.
Well, that's a cool little cabin. Mountain Ark. Nice. Oh. They're not open yet. They don't open until 5. Oh, the Golden Saloon is open though. They actually call that the Salmon and Bear Restaurant and a lodge. This here is the famous bakery, honey.
What?
That's the famous bakery right there. Bear claws.
Is that what we're gonna do?
Yeah, don't you want to?
Coke and a bear claw?
There you go. Y'all don't get your hopes up about McCarthy. I mean, I think it's a cool little town myself, but it's an old mining town.
Yeah, they have a big Kennecott mine over there.
Yeah,
It's,
they have a little bit of everything in here, y'all. We're gonna go see what they got as far as baked goods. What you think? So y'all, look what we're about to eat. It's a lava cake with pecan ice cream and a Diet Dr. Pepper. You ready to dig in?
yep, yeah.
All right, let's do it.
All this walking, these high temperatures.
Poor baby, and it's 75, y'all. Ice cream's good?
Yeah, it's a keeper. Nice and cool.
Okay,
Yeah, I think that's what's gonna say.
good?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna try it, y'all. Bobby says that's a power plant. Here's our sign. Okay, going down through here. Oh, well, good. I was a little worried I was gonna get footsies wet.
It's wet is because the ground here seeps.
Yeah.
You gotta go this way.
It's a little muddy, y'all. Oh, sugar.
What is it?
That's real friggin' muddy.
Around this side here.
Damn.
Around here. Step on the grass. No, step on the
What was that? You almost fell? Yeah, that is some clear water, y'all.
Imagine they have a pipe stuck in the ground here because this place is oozing with water.
It's the old railroad track. Look at that. You hear the water right beside me? We're right next to a river. I mean, it is ginormous. All right, y'all, this is our drama. The awning on the slide out broke while we were out in McCarthy today.
What I gotta do is take my knife. The awning was tore on the back side from the trailer side where it's hooked. So I have to cut it with a knife to get it. I'm pushing it out of the track because it's all the stitching's come out of it. Okay, when I cut it, it come loose. And what it does is, because it's on a spring, it's on the awning tension spring. So I had to come down and wrap it around and tape it up for now because it was just too windy to try to make any kind of repair. And the way you repair this, it has a cord that goes through the end of it. But all these awnings on this rig are the sewings coming out where the cord hooks to the bracket up there. So we got to make some repairs soon, I guess, when we get around to it. But it's fine without it working. And we'll make repairs accordingly down the road.